One of the coolest things about Soundtrap is that you can collaborate. There are two ways to invite people to your project. You can either invite from inside the studio by clicking this blue circle and the plus sign, and then typing in the name of the person you want to invite right here, or you can invite from outside the studio. The way you do that is you come to your My Projects page, go to the project that you want to share, click on these three dots, say invite, and then you can just type in the name of your partner or collaborator, and you can add them this way. Keep in mind, you'll only be able to invite students that are part of your teacher's account. So you won't just be able to invite anyone, you can only invite the people that are within your walled garden or within your class. Once your collaborator accepts, they'll have access to the project just like you, and you'll see their picture here, and you'll be able to text and talk in this window. You can also do a video call if your teacher has that feature enabled.